Anna gets a commission of 10% for each bottle of lotion she sells. A bottle of lotion sells for 87 pesos and 50 centavos. How many bottles will Anna have to sell to receive a commission of 210 pesos? Ito ay isang sample problem under numerical ability. Of course, ay bahagi ng civil service exam for both professional and sub-professional levels. So it's very important na matutuhan natin mag-solve ng mga word problems like this one. At ang lagi ko nga sinasabi kapag magsasolve ng word problem, ang idea is to understand ano yung hinihingi ng problem at ano yung mga binigay niyang information that will help you solve for what is unknown, what is being asked. Crucial din na ma-convert natin yung mga statements na nasa problem into mathematical equations or expressions. So, gawin natin yon. I'll walk you through my thought process as I solve this one. Alamin muna natin anong hinihingi. Ang hinihingi niya ay yung dami ng bote na kailangang ibenta ni Ana para makakuha ng komisyon na 210 pesos. Yung options natin dito ay number of bottles. Hindi yan yung komisyon, kundi number of bottles. Kasi hinihingi, how many bottles? Now, paano natin masasolve yan? Yung first premise ng problem, nandun yung hint. Yung hint ay yung clue, yung makakatulong sa'yo to solve for what is unknown or what is being asked. Sabi dyan, may commission daw si Ana na 10% sa kada bote na mabebenta niya. Ngayon, yung bawat bote is 87 pesos and 50 cents. So, para ma-solve mo yan, alamin mo muna, ano yung 10% nun? Then, you ask yourself, ilang ganun ang kailangan ko para maka 210? So, this is essentially a division problem. Pero, may trick. Kailangan muna nating malaman yung 10% ng 87 pesos and 50 centavos. So, by all means, gawin na natin yon. 87 and 50 can be written as 87.5. Dahil 10% niya nang hinahanap, easiest way to do that is to just move this decimal point one decimal place to the left side. Ganun lagi. If you're trying to find 10% of any number, you move the decimal point one decimal place to the left. Lagi yun, ha? So this is essentially 8.75. 8 pesos and 75 cents yung commission ni Ana sa kada bote. Mapalad tayo kasi 10% yung commission. Paano kung ibang number yan, ibang percent? Then you would have to do it manually. So, para magawa yun manually, you convert the percentage into decimal. You do it by moving 2 decimal places to the left. Laging ganon. Pag percent to decimal. Iba yun sa ginawa ko dito. Ito shortcut ko kasi to find 10% of any number, you need to move 1 decimal place to the left. Ito naman, kinonvert yung percent to decimal. So, laging 2 decimal places yan to the left. Huwag malilito. Okay? So, yung 10% is essentially 0.10 or 0.1 kung alin man ang gusto mong isulat. Para malaman yung 10% ng 87.5 or 87.50, multiply mo yun by 0.10. Para ka lang nagmo-multiply ng whole numbers. Tulad ko na lang, 87.5. Okay? Para mas madali, actually, alisin na natin yung 0. Gawin na lang natin itong 0.1. Parehas naman ang value nun. Magkaiba lang ang itsura, pero yung value nila essentially ay pareho. And multiply natin. Anything multiplied by 1 is just the number itself. So this is essentially 875. Pero dahil yung factors mo ay may decimal, consider mo yon. Ilang decimal places meron sa factors? Factors yung minultiply na numbers. Ito yon, 1, 2. Merong total of 2 decimal places na kailangan mong i-apply sa yung product. So this would be 1, 2. And look at that. Parehas yung makukuha nating final answer. This is 8.75. Yan yung 10% ng 87 pesos and 50 cents. Ngayon ang tanong, ilang bote kailangan ni Ana, ilan ang kailangan niyang mabenta para makakuha ng 210. So kagaya na banggit ko kanina, this is a very simple division problem. We need to divide 210 by 8.75. 210 divided by 8.75. All you need to do is to assume na whole number yung divisor para makapag-proceed ka. Paano yun? Gawin mo lang siyang whole number by moving the decimal point all the way to the rightmost side. So, hindi na siya 8.75. Imaginein mo na siya ay 875. Then, sa kabila, since this is a whole number, gawin mo rin yung pag-move ng decimal place. Nandiyan yung decimal point ng kahit na anong whole number, nasa dulo. Move 2 decimal places to the right. So, this is essentially 21,000. Isipin mo na 21,000 siya. Alright? Ginagawa lang natin yun para convenient natin itong ma-divide. At para accurate yung maging decimal place sa quotient dun sa final answer natin. Kasi yung decimal point mo nandito dapat. Okay? So, paano natin 'to gagawin? Eh, wala tayong calculator sa exam. Easiest way to do this is to remember that division is actually continuous subtraction. Para malaman ilang 875 meron sa 21,000, mag-subtract ka lang ng mag-subtract ng mag-subtract. Pero baka mas madali kung gawin mo na yung tamang process dito. Kasya ba yung 875 kay 2? Obviously not. Kay 21, hindi pa rin. Kay 210, hindi pa rin. Pero kay 2,100, kaya. Kasya dyan ang dalawa. So, ilan yung dalawang 875? Ask yourself. 875 times 2. Gawin sa side yon. This is 10. 2 times 7 is 14. Plus 1 is 15. 2 times 8 is 16. Plus 1 is 17. So, meron kang 1,750 na kailangan ngayon i-subtract kay 2,100. This is 0. 0 minus 5, you don't bring down 5. Remember? Subtraction yan. So, mahalaga na makonsider mo yung place value. So, this is 10 now. 10 minus 5 is 5. 0 minus 7 is not possible. Manghiram tayo ulit. 10 minus 7, yan, pwede na. 1 minus 1 is of course 0. You don't need to write it down. Kasya ba si 875 kay 350? Hindi. Bring down natin yung 0. Now, meron kang 3,500 divided by 875. Dito ko na ipapakita yung idea na ang division ay continuous subtraction din. So, ituloy-tuloy lang nating i-subtract si 875 mula kay 3,500. Makukuha natin kung ilang 875 ang kasya sa kanya. 875. Subtracting. Again, 0 yan. So, hindi ka basta magbe-bring down. Magiging 10 to. Kaya lang dahil hiramin din ng kabila, gawin mo na siyang 9 para mabilis. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. 4 minus 8 is not possible. 14 yan. This is 6. This is 2. Keep going. 875. 0. Not possible. So, hiram tayo. This is now going to be 12. Merong 5. Not possible. Hiram tayo kay 2. Magiging 15 yan. Then, this is going to give you 7. 1. Notice, 1,750 ito. Alam natin na merong dalawang 875 dyan. So, kailangan mo na lang gawin ay dagdagan yun ng dalawa. Ibig sabihin, sa 3,500, merong total of 5 875s. Ngayon, yan yung final answer mo. Actually, sorry. Hindi siya 25. Kasi dalawa lang dito. Tapos sa 1,750, dalawa rin. Ayun. So, 2 plus 2 lang. Magiging 4 lang siya. Ayan, my bad. Our final answer should be 24. Kailangan makabenta si Ana ng 24 na bote para makakuha ng komisyon na 210 pesos. And that is option number 2. Hopefully, nakatulong itong video na ito. I-review mo, ibalikan yung mga process na bahagyan nagpalito sa'yo. Let me know in the comments kung paano kita mas matutulungan.